This is a 2021 GMC Savana 3500 cutaway, 16-foot box truck. It does have the big 6.6 liter V8, which is a great motor. We love those. Exterior's in excellent shape. No wheel wells to contend with, just a nice big flat box. Floor looks to be in great shape. I don't see any water or anything. It does have a ramp that folds all the way out, and they hook onto the bumpers here, or the rail there. I don't see any exterior damage, which is pretty rare on these things. Everybody seems to clip a tree branch or something at one point or another, and this one doesn't seem to have any of that. Tires are shiny because it just got detailed, but they're all in great shape. A lot of tread left on them, front and rears. Power windows, locks, mirror. Oh, air is nice and frosty. It's not 100 degrees yet, but it will be later, so that's going to come in handy. 94,510 on the miles. Power inverter there, USB power. I mean, this is as clean as I could ask for in a box truck. Ready to pop it? Engine sounds great. We've had it inspected and serviced. Yeah, this is a nice truck. I have another one that it's twin. It'll be coming back from the shop and inspection here hopefully today, and then I'll get it detailed. But this is a pretty sharp one right now. I don't expect it to stay around long. If you have any questions about it, give us a call here at the dealership. 303-286-1665. Thank you.